Hi guys, I started making this video a long time ago, but I forgot to record myself taking the lights off of the car, so I'm just gonna show you like this. So pop the hood. So the first thing you will need to do is unscrew these two nuts right here. One is over here, one on the other side, and then unclip these plastic retainers right here. Just take some pliers and take the center part out, and then this will just slide out. Do the same on the other side, and then you can unscrew some screws on the bottom of the bumper right here. They're all along the bottom of the bumper, so unscrew those. And after you have done that, you can slowly and carefully pry the bumper from the side over here and take it off. Watch out for the fog lamps though, because they will still be connected to the car, so slowly pull the bumper off and disconnect those fog lamps. After you've done that, you can unscrew these two screws right here, one over here, one over here, and disconnect all the cables connecting the lights to the car, and then you can pull the wall unit out. After you have done that, move on to the next step. Okay, so once you have your lights out of the car, you can go to the next step, which is disassembling the light. The first thing we are going to take apart from this light will be the blinker. So it's not in the way. We're gonna unscrew this screw right here and take it away. Okay, so I'm going to take this thing apart. You don't have to unscrew this bolt all the way, just a little bit, so that the blinker can come out. There we go. So there it is, got out of the way. Once that is done, we are going to unclip these 3 clips right here and remove this rubber part. Alright, and there we go, out of the way. Now we are going to remove this plastic cover right here. It is held on by these clips right here, 2 of them right here, one down here, and another one down here. There's also this plastic piece here at the bottom. Be aware of that when you take it apart, and also one over here, so don't break those. Take a heat gun, blast it with heat along the edge, and take it apart. This is now really fucking hot. So pull the clip up away from the plastic and try to pull it apart as much as you can. Get some screwdrivers to help. right now the bottom side. And there we go. So just repeat that for the other light and you are good to go. Okay, so once you have them taken apart, you will want to drill holes on the inside of the light. One right here. Ignore this one. And one back here, so the cable can exit through the back. Do this on both lights, and then just glue the light, the angel eye, inside like this. We are using this glue right here to glue it in. So once you have everything installed and cables routed out of the back, just close them back up with these and then put them on the car. Okay, so once they are fully built, put them back into the car and connect the black cable of your angel eye to the brown cable of your small light or your parking light, that one right there, and also connect the green and the black cable of the small light with the white cable of your angel eye, which is the positive, and the black is the negative. And if you also want them to turn orange while the blinker is on, connect the yellow cable to the positive terminal of the blinker. Do that on the other side and you are done. Alright, so this is how it looks like after it's finished. I think it looks really good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video.